Okay, so now I've got a mid-plane in there going this way, and the mid-plane profile going that way. I'm starting to look at my box, and it's telling me something, and that is that, looking at the mid-plane, this little box on the bottom, which is the clip that holds this thing together, it starts here, which is in front of my mid-plane. So I drew that shape on the mid-plane, but it actually comes forward this way. So I'm going to actually draw the box. It's going to take a second just to draw that box, because that's going to help me. So I'm going to start from where that thing is and project forward and backward from that point. There. From here, this is going this way. Kind of slipped on me a little. Still missed again. So it's going to be that line right there. You can see that the profile tells me it comes back this far. So now I'm using both those two dimensions to project forward and backward. Right. That's going to come out and meet this line. Out here. So this thing that's happening in the center needs to happen. Good heavens, what's that line? That line is kind of screwed up. I'm going to fix it. It's that line was coming too, it was converging too much with this line. Sometimes you won't catch those right away, but later on you'll see that, oh yeah, what was that line I drew? Okay, that's really close to the edge, the same line as the edge of my box. It looks like it is the edge of my box, but it's not. Just the two of them overlap. This line. It has to stay inside my box. In fact, it has to stay well inside my box. So if I'm drawing that, that's got to come up. On the outside of my box, it has to come up. I got to figure something out. Oh, okay, I see. So this thing comes like this. comes up here this way. Momentary confusion. You get a lot of lines on there and it's easy to get a little confused. Okay, so here's the side of this box. And it's going to come forward a ways. It's going to come forward to here. Just trying to capture that whole box right here. There's the edge of it. There's this back edge. Over here, this comes to this corner. You know what? I keep drawing that. It's converging too much still. I'm going to bring that in a little. Fix it. I don't know what my deal is, but down there I keep making it. You can see it's a little thing here, but it can make a big difference on the other end of that angle. This thing, you know, it's a good, like 3/16 of an inch difference there. Okay. Now if I can draw the, you know, if I can get this clip in here, the outside edges of this clip, that's going to really help me. Obviously, your object is different from mine. So, but if you can find something in there, a structure that that will help you to start establishing the form, then do that. Find that thing in there. Make sure that you're right with it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw this whole box. You don't have to watch me draw that whole thing, but I'll show you what it looks like when I come back.